In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Asana using a number custom field. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to record exactly how many hours you spend on each task, and you'll be able to review and analyze that time across your project. This approach is lightweight, easy to maintain, and perfect if you want clear totals without using separate time tracking tools. First, log into your Asana account on your desktop. Once you're in, open the project where you want to track time. This should be the project where your tasks already live, so your hours sit right alongside your work. At the top right of the project, click Customize. This opens your project's configuration panel. Under the Fields section, click the plus button to create a new field, then choose Add Field. We're going to create a field dedicated to hours, so it's always visible as a column in your project. In the field settings, give your field a clear title like hours spent. Next, set the field type to number. Choosing number ensures Asana accepts decimal values and allows you to sort and filter by this field later. When you're ready, click Create New to add the field to your project. You'll see it appear as a new column, ready for data entry. Now you can record time for each task. Enter the time spent as a decimal number only. For example, type 1.5 to represent 1 hour and 30 minutes. Type 0.25 to represent 15 minutes. Avoid typing words or symbols like HRs or mins. Stick to decimal numbers so everything stays clean and sortable. Helpful tip: to convert minutes to a decimal, divide the minutes by 60. For instance, 30 minutes is 0.5 and 15 minutes is 0.25. As you add entries, use Asana's sorting or filtering to analyze your work. You can sort the hours spent column to quickly see tasks with the most or least time. Filtering by this field helps you focus on tasks above or below a certain threshold, which is useful for reviewing workload or identifying outliers. This makes it easier to prioritize, estimate future work, and report progress. Repeat this process for all tasks in your project to keep your time tracking consistent. Update the number whenever you complete a task or finish a work session. Over time, this simple habit will give you accurate data to inform planning, improve estimates, and highlight where your team's effort is going. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.